Hi guys, disclaimer. I just really wanted to wear this outfit. This is how I pack. I'm ready. What's up, you guys? Iz and I are super excited to finally spend some time in the sun. So, before I started packing, I figured, hey, why not take this beautiful opportunity to show you how I pack for a weekend getaway. Thanks to Kenzie for sponsoring this video. As much as we love to travel, I would say we're really good at not bringing too many things with us. Like to toot my own horn, toot toot. I am a pretty good packer. Like I'm actually not someone that just brings a bunch of stuff just to have it. I'm pretty good at deciding what my essentials are gonna be for a trip and making it all work in a tiny bag like this. So, electronic that I can't live without, especially because you're gonna see that I'm actually packing tons of skirts and shorts. We're gonna be in the sun, legs out, the Kenzie. Now, I know I've told you guys about my Kenzie a million times before, but here's the 1,000,001 time because I love it that much. And for me, this is an essential, especially now that the weather has warmed up. I know so many of us are excited to have our legs out. Your girl is gonna stay prepared. Not only does the Kenzie make sure that you stay hair-free, not just on your vacation, but like in life, but it also takes away sunspots, blemishes, pigmentation, and boom, wrinkles. I absolutely love bringing my Kenzie on the go. I am that girl that when I go on vacations, I do treatments on myself in the bathroom. Am I the only one that thinks hotel bathrooms are absolutely beautiful? So yes, I will set up my whole little situation, do my little treatments on myself and feel like a brand new woman. I love that the Kenzie can not only be used on your legs, but it can also be used on your chin, on your upper lip, on your underarms, and so much more. Let's also talk about how long the cord is for the Kenzie. How tall do you think this is? We need you back, Kyle. This is actually really helpful because if you're using a device on your body, you wanna make sure that you can actually like get around. This is genius. I actually think that this has the phone charger beat. What? And we're still dragging on the floor. Guys, you can walk around your whole bedroom probably with this while also getting a little IPL action going on the bot. Again, you guys, it does not hurt. It is literally the lightest little zap. If anyone's done laser hair removal before, or if you've ever been waxed, or if you've ever nicked yourself shaving, that hurts way more than this will ever hurt, trust me. So you know I got the hookup. All you have to do is click the link in the description or go to kenzie.com and use my code ADR50 to get $50 off of your Kenzie. As you can see, this amazing bag right here, one of my faves. I'm a huge fan of the brand Away for multiple reasons. One, they actually can personalize the luggage. So this one's actually Israel's, I stole it. How dope is this? IDH. Babe, what color is mine that you just ordered?
It's like almost copper color.
I have a copper colored one, kind of looks rose gold, and it has my initials on it, but Iz actually is the one that put me on to these amazing travel pieces by Away, and I'm just a huge fan of them. They're super sturdy. This actually came with us to Italy, right?
Yep.
Israel actually is the one that packs, but I do lay it all out. But he has a really amazing role. You gonna come in and help me or not?
Nope.
No, he doesn't wanna help me. So, I'm gonna show you Israel's rolling technique. So should we start there? Is that a good place to start? First, I wanna show you why it's important to have a bag that has cool compartments. That's one of the things that I love about this. Okay, so look, you have this inner spot. You have compartments here. You got compartments here. Actually, what is in this compartment? There is something in here. Babe, this is like the Tumi bags. Also a huge fan of Tumi bags because they also have a lot of compartments. The bag comes with this little thing on the side, and then you see this? This opens, and boom, you have a whole other bag. This is genius. You see this? In this case, I think this is a laundry bag, which is even more genius. Get you a bag that has a built-in laundry bag. I really do think that the key to actually fitting a bunch of stuff in a small piece of luggage is a bag that has compartments. So get you a piece of luggage that has compartments like these. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with this little section right here, which I think is perfect for like your electronics. So I am going to pack in here my AirPods, my charger. Guys, what would I do without a phone charger? Lord. And not just a phone charger, but like an extra long phone charger. This charger is longer than my whole body, and I'm definitely 5 feet with these heels on.
Yeah, that's like 6 feet.
You sure it's not longer? Because if I'm 5 feet, so he's 6 feet tall. This is longer than you. Yeah. Look, this is an essential. This is an essential for life. Forget for packing, this is essential for life. So make sure that you have your chargers. I know that Israel will have like 3 backups just in case, but this one's mine right here. Okay, so I'm going to place that in here. All my electronics are in one safe spot. The little bit of underwear that I'm taking with me. I am a huge fan of nudes. I actually just think that if you've got neutral underclothes, it really goes with everything. So I'm packing 3 bras, all neutrals, and some underwear that is also neutral. And I'm kind of tucking it all inside of the cup of this one bra. That is gonna go perfectly in this little spot. Boom, you see that? That's what I do with this partition in the middle, and now we're gonna move to the back. Guys, tell me this is not the most genius thing you've ever seen. And yes, I am that person that owns a label gun. It's my best friend. It holds me accountable for where my jewelry goes. So literally it says like door knocker gold, door knockers silver. Guys, it's a great way to be organized, and I'm a huge fan of this jewelry hanger. I got this on Amazon. Make sure that you've got all of them zipped. We are all zipped on that side. We are not zipped on this side. Hold please. Zipped, 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 zipped. No, these 2 are open. And then you ready? This actually just folds up like so. Voila. How amazing is that? I get to the hotel, I'm like, oh, boom. Hang it up. When you're thinking of like, oh, what's the jewelry? Guys, there's nothing worse. Did you ever have one of those jewelry bags that you're digging through to find? I can't do it, can't do it. So this to me has been a miracle worker for travel. So I'm gonna place that on the bottom here. And because it really can't get messed up, I'm also gonna throw my shoes in there. So my shoes are these cute little Chanel sneakers that me and Lana actually have the same. So a pair of sneakers, and another genius idea for packing, clear shoes. This goes with every single outfit. Lavoot socks that I clearly wear all the time. So I'm actually gonna pack these inside of the sneakers. Boom. Biker shorts, Lavoot, X-Home, roll technique. And then I've got a hoodie. Now big pieces like this can take up a lot of space. So you definitely wanna roll this. So this is my hoodie. It gets cold at night in the desert, so this will definitely come in handy. Date night. Cute little pastels. Guys, can you tell that I'm really into sleeves right now? It's a whole vibe. Out in the desert, clear heels. It goes. We're gonna roll her up. And guys, don't pack things that need to be ironed. Like, if this is like all wrinkled, this is not gonna bother me at all. Like, that's the vibe of this dress. Voila. This is like casual daytime sexy, right? Like, Iz will appreciate this for the shape, and the back is out. Wow, I can't wear a bra with this. But another packing essential, push-up tape. This is probably gonna require some tape. I just need the tape to end right back here so that you don't see it on the back. Genius. Okay, we're gonna roll this up too. Oh, that didn't work. And one more time. Okay. This is actually just like a chill lounge outfit that I literally just bought from Zara. Lighter colors, spring, summer. Boom. How cute are these little shorts? Comment below if you use the rolling technique. Comment below if you have some tips for my rolling technique. Because if I'm keeping it real, Israel is technically the master packer, and he's the one that usually rolls everything. Like, I literally will leave things out exactly as it was when you first started, and then he's like, I got this, babe. So I'm gonna already almost like prep fold it and then roll it. That's my technique. pair of little shorts. That's why my legs gotta be right, people, with my Kenzie, because my legs are gonna be out. Sun's out, buns out, legs out. Okay, so now that I've kind of rolled everything up, my shoes are going to go here. You don't wanna overstuff your bag. That's like a huge mistake that so many of us have made. When you stuff a bag and you're like, yes, you're sitting on it, you're jumping on it, you're doing like a jump it. Yeah, I've done it. Me and Lana have absolutely laid down on our bags while she's pulling the other side. And then all you realize is by the time your trip is finished and now you have to repack that bag, it is either gonna break or it's just almost impossible to make everything fit because you've definitely picked up things along the way. Bad idea. You never want to go on a vacation with your bag already fully packed. I actually like to leave one side with a little bit of room in it so that just in case I picked up something along the way, I've got some room for it. On the side that I'm trying to keep kind of empty, I'm going to add small things like a weekend makeup bag. This is my compromised makeup bag just for the weekend. The essentials, cream blush, boy brow, mascara, lip balm, lip liner, bronzer. Simple little things. That goes in this bag. And I'm gonna put that in this corner right here. And you see I still have room for a toiletry bag, people. That's making a lot of noise because that's bobby pins, people. So this little toiletry bag literally has everything from lash serums to hair products to deodorant, perfume, medicine, my Synthroid, hair oil, hair brushes, bobby pins, and scrunchies. Everything I pretty much need, toothbrush, toothpaste, flossers. And this is going to go in here as well. And again, there's still room. So that to me is like a perfect packed side. Okay, on this side of the bag, there is another division. Do you see this? And I've actually got some really pretty little silk pajamas that I'm gonna take for when I'm lounging and chilling, and I feel like the PJs would go perfect in here. If you have anything that you maybe don't want to get as wrinkled and you don't want to use the roll-up technique, then you can use that in this little flat compartment right here. So I'm gonna use this for, how beautiful are these pajama pants? Like so. That's perfect. And I'm gonna do the same thing with my satin robe and just lay it down gently like that, and hopefully that won't get too wrinkled. And that'll be the divider. And now, thank you very much. All the rolled clothing is going to go in here, and then I'm gonna strap it down. I'm gonna place on the bottom the things that I really don't care if they get wrinkled are gonna go closer to the bottom, and then the things that might need a little more love, I'm gonna put them closer to the top. That was quite impressive, wasn't it? And now I'm gonna strap it in. Okay, look how cool this is. This too clips on the top. Clipped. That was 5 outfits, 2 pairs of shoes, toiletry bag, makeup bag, push-up tape, underclothes, technology, and a whole gang of jewelry. I'm impressed with myself. And voila. Babe! Can you help me? Boom. Boom. Last fun fact about this suitcase, you actually can pop this open right here. There's this little compartment. All you have to do is press that down and out pops out a portable charger. Literally, you just saw my 6-foot+ charger that is inside of the case. I could literally just plug that into here and mega charging can happen right here. So this is not just a suitcase, this is a survival essential. So I absolutely love this. And guys, that's everything. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I pack. Please share with me any packing tips you may have in the comments below. Like I said, you don't have to bring the whole kitchen sink with you on vacay. Thanks to Kenzie again for sponsoring this video. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.